Akala ko per apple pala yun.
Green apple makuha tayo. Kasi akala ko ano eh. Kahit yung kalahati lang.
Oo.
Dahan-dahan naman. Si Kuya.
Dali picture. One, two, three.
Dala yung hair ko pala.
Buhok naman eh.
Para rin ano eh. Sa cheese. Video yan, video. Say hi to the picture si ate. Video yan.
Lager. Lagerist.
Naka-live ba ba? Live ba?
Hindi, wala pa ako. Ano. Mamaya magkoconnect ako yan. Para mag-live ako. Kahit 5 minutes. Apple. Magpipig kami ng apple. Ang ganda ng video. Kita ba? Kita ba yung dagat? Eh, mag-apple picking kami and pear picking. Ayun pala, meron eh. Mamaya puntahan natin. Wag mo na masira. Lamig. Yung langit, ang ganda ng langit.
Just maybe share a couple of apples between you. Okay, if you see an apple hanging on the tree, that is now very important for us. You turn it around and check it all around if it's nice enough. Because we have bird packs, you know, we have perhaps a little hole in it or something, being organic. So what do? You check it first and you hold it where they are connected to. You can see that? And then gently pull it off. And that prevents the tree from shaking, because other apples will fall off if you shake them. Okay? I'll give you that. It's a perfect one. And if you see trees down there, for example, and over there with blue ribbons on it, and I'm really begging you not to pick them. No blue ribbon trees picking, because these apples are totally sour.
Oh.
They ripen 20th of October.
That is red apple.
These down there is what you see here. They are tempting to pick, I know, but please don't. And we have cameras in here. We caught some people doing that. And even we told them, you know. And yeah, that's about it. And other than that, you can walk around. You can look at the animals down there. There's sheep, goats, geese, everything.
Kangaroo?
And then kangaroo, not yet. Maybe we should get one.
He will buy for you.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Very good.
Thank you.
Are you from the Philippines?
Yes.
We have lots of
Nice meeting
Philippine
you.
people here.
Nice
Have you been
meeting
before? No,
No,
not yet.
First time.
We have lots of Philippine people. I'm always begging the Philippines, bring me mangoes.
Oh, next time.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. I will hold it.
Ma, pick na.
Kita ba hindi ano? Hindi. May mga ano siya. May mga defect, di ba?
Ami, I want to see the animal.
Ayun, yung sa taas. Louie, abot mo yung malaki sa taas, oh. Ano eh? Yung Pilipiti, tapos hatakin.
Opo.
Oh, galing. My first time picking apples in Canada.
Dito po marami po po.
Dito tayo sa may araw. May kukuha ka ng maganda. O yung nasa taas yung maganda dyan, meron. Hindi ko abot kasi. Yung mga...
May ano po, may ladder. Gamitin niyo po.
Sige, dito tayo. Sa lago.
Dito, kuya. Just ka here.
Nakamalaglag ako.
Hindi po yan.
Yung ladder. Ayan, para ma-experience ang ladder.
Oh, naka ano po yan, naka ano lang.
Mag-experience tayo ng may ladder. Kunyari, taas-taas na ako. Kunyari, kunyari na. Para may...
Sige po.
Baka magpipik dito. Pag nalaglag ako, Louie, salahon mo ako.
Ako ba? Wala, nandun.
Ano ah?
Meron po.
Ayun. Ah, hinog na siya kasi napik siya ng mabilis na tanggal. Hi guys! Yay! I'm picking apples. This one. Green apples.
Organic apple.
Kagatin. Ay, di ba kagatin?
Walang wax.
Wala ba? Kakagatin mo muna.
Walang wax. Kasi nung sa supermarket may wax.
Tamil.
May mantika nga sa
Tamil.
Para ano, para shiny. Para shiny. Kaya masarap?
Magdamit. Ito muna ako. Busin ko yung apple. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. I will enjoy picking apples.
Jessica Robot, let's go. Let's go, Jessica Robot.
Ay, nahulog. Enough, mommy. Asa na? Asa na sa kanila?
Gagawa na si mama ng apple pie.
Kaya nga.
Okay, let's go here, Lucas.
Ang talis naman sa panginain. Ayan pa oh. Dito malalaki bunga. Hindi kami nakaawit ng pera. Ubus na. Bye, apple pickers.
Ayan po.
First time apple picking.